lovelies, as you all know that in this situation we have to follow each and everything which government is telling us to do because it's for our safety only, and I hope everyone is following that. Before this situation हम लोग क्या करते थे कि हम कभी भी मन किया उठाया कुछ खा लिया, कभी भी मन किया अपना फेस को टच कर लिया, but right now we cannot do that. And our poor hands, they actually go through a lot. And right now I just want to tell you the sanitizers are full of alcohol and we are using it mostly all the time, and we cannot just skip it, and we have to wash our hands all the time. We have to use sanitizers on our hands, and I guess that is making our hands very rough and dry. Just to protect our hands from dryness and roughness, we cannot just skip that thing. So I have a plan for you guys. If you want to protect your hands from roughness and dryness, follow these steps and trust me, this will actually work for you. I do it and I am actually loving it. And it's not about the dryness also. It's about keeping your hands beautiful. And you know, girls, oh god, we just love our hands. We always want to keep our hands clean and neat and beautiful. So today I'm going to tell you that even if you use sanitizers all the time, it will never make your hands dry or rough. You just have to do it twice or thrice in a week and that's it. And you are back with your hands beautiful. So let's do it.